What in the world am I going to do with all of these knobs? As an avid Stream Deck user, no, seriously, look at my setup. So many buttons. This runs everything I do on my stream, for my scenes and my effects and more. I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to utilize the Stream Deck Plus and its 4 knobs in my setup, as I don't do a lot of audio leveling and stuff like that. Well, let me tell you, I do know how to use buttons, and these knobs ended up being like insane super buttons that are folders for everything in one. Let me show you. So what I've done here is use the action wheel setting on the Stream Deck Plus to allow me to make multiple actions that can be utilized with the knob. So go over here, we see the content. This is the 8 actions. So I have 8 actions set up, which is source visibilities for all of my promos that I use on stream, my schedule, my promos, and everything else. So they're all ready to go. Then I also have an action wheel for all of my sponsors. Same idea, where I have 8 sponsors. They're all there. They're all ready to go. So sort of like having, 16 buttons on these two knobs. I can then scroll through them and pick the one I want. And then when I push into the button, it activates. So we see here, if I want to get my stream schedule going, right? We go over here, find the schedule, boom, there it is. Press the button, and there it is. So we can go through, and I can easily go through, find the right thing I want, and hit it. Then for the ads, because they're videos and not static, I can go through the ad function over here, pick the ad that I want, like my wonderful Elgato ad. I activate it by pressing the button, and then it's not ready to go just yet. And then in my scene, I hit my ad button, and boom, now it's live. I can do my ad read, tell you all about how wonderful Elgato is, of course, and use my promo code and so on and so forth. When I'm done, I hit the ad button, turn it off, and then I can deactivate the scene so we have no issues as far as things going on and off. So these 2 knobs give me the functionality of 14, 16 or more buttons, the ability to go through, visually see which one I want, easily select it and choose it on the fly, which is super useful. Then I use this 3rd knob over here simply as my lights. Hit the button, turn on and off. I push in the knob, turn it on off, and left and right can go brightness down or brightness up. And then on the left here, we have just simple volume. I can mute or unmute, and I can do the volume on my Google Chrome. I always have I can have YouTube playing in the background for some music. So I want music on, music off, the knob can do that. And then of course I just have my really important buttons here also. So my recording button top right, press that one, this will go away, can't do that of course. But my add button on the bottom right, I have my mute button top left and my pause button for my recordings on the left. Then I've got chat. I can reset my scoreboard here. I can turn chat on and off when I'm on stream, and I have my win-loss counter. So all the important buttons go there, which is nice because they are separate from my main Stream Deck console, so I don't hit the recording button by accident or something like that. I'm tired of the clouds. So that's what we got here, and this Stream Deck Plus has become an invaluable part of my setup. The ability to scroll through all my ads, all my promos, everything super easily. Didn't think I would use the knobs like that. Ended up being a wonderful feature. So check out the Stream Deck Plus to go alongside your Stream Decks, either in addition to or in lieu of, and all the cool things you can do.